Here I have CAT S41 and let me show you how to accomplish the inserting SIM and SD card on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Keep holding power button, choose power off and wait until your CAT smartphone will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you have to find the protection. The protection is located right here at the left edge of the device. Let's open this protection by using your nail finger, and here you can insert SIM and SD card. If you would like to insert your SIM, you have to remove the tray by using your nail finger or some tool. So let me remove the whole tray, and here you can insert the Nano SIM cards. As you can see in that tray, you can insert 2 Nano SIM cards, so let me do it. Let's insert the first one with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position. Let's insert the second one also with the characteristic edge right here, and let's put it right here. Now you can put the whole tray into your device. Let me do it. Let's press it to the end. Excellent. Now let's insert the microsd. So in the following slot right here, you can insert the microsd. All you have to do is simply put this card right here and press it to the end. Excellent. So you should press it to the end until you hear the characteristic click. Now you can switch on the device by pressing the power key. Let's wait until your CAT will be completely turned on, just to make me sure that both cards works properly on my device. Alright, let's unlock the screen. Let's tap apps icon. Here you have to find and select the settings. So here let's choose SIM cards, and as you can see, the device is reading our 2 SIM cards, so it's a good sign. Now let's go back, and under device you have to choose storage. As you can see, the device is also reading our external storage, so our memory card, our microSD. So basically everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.